Whew, sunny today. But is it just sunny? Let's look at some different ways to describe the sunshine and talk about beautiful sunny days. Ooh, bright. It's bright today. Bright means there's plenty of light, usually from the sun. Yeah, it's a bright day today, guys. Got to wear your shades. Sunny. It's a lovely sunny day. Sunny means the sun is shining and that there aren't many clouds. Come on, guys. It's a lovely sunny day. Let's go to the park. Clear. It's clear. Clear just means the sky has very few or no clouds. It's completely clear today, guys. Fine. It's a fine day. Fine is a British English way to describe pleasant and dry weather. It's going to be a fine day today, guys. Let's go out. Pleasant. It's a pleasant day today. Pleasant just means the weather is comfortable and enjoyable. It's a really pleasant day today, guys. I fancy going on a trip. Warm. It's quite warm today. Warm just means the temperature is comfortably high. It's lovely and warm today. Let's sit in the garden. Hot. It's hot today. Hot just means the temperature is a lot higher than normal. Oh, guys, it is really hot today. Let's find some shade. Blazing. The sun is blazing. Blazing means the sun is shining extremely strongly. Oh, it's blazing today, guys. Make sure you wear your sunglasses. Scorching. It is scorching. Scorching means extremely hot, often because of the strong sunshine. Oh, it's absolutely scorching today, guys. Let's eat some ice cream. Oh, sweltering. It is sweltering today. Sweltering means it's extremely hot, sweaty, and uncomfortable. Guys, it's sweltering outside. I don't want to go out today.